There's a saying, there's nothing more attractive than a confident person. Even if you're not feeling that confident right now, confidence is something that you can build up over time. Here are my top tips to boost your confidence. And number 1 is around your self-esteem. Boosting that up. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look at how wonderful you are. Have a little look at what your attributes are, your characteristics, what makes you tick, why people resonate towards you. Really boost yourself up, because we're all perfectly imperfect. It can be challenging sometimes to actually start to look within yourself, look at what makes you tick, that makes you so great. And if you're struggling with it, just ask some friends for starters. But the more you practice it, the easier it will become. And it's super important to boost yourself up, because it's really going to boost your confidence. Second tip is to actually stop and review some of the limiting beliefs you may have about yourself. A lot of these have been with us since childhood, and they just need updating, and we've never really questioned them. Everybody has an inner critic, that voice in your head that is quick to sabotage, to put you down. But we also have an inner coach, and that's the one that wants to boost you up and say, yeah, you can do it. You're really worthy of this. You've got great value. So when you really boost up that inner coach and quieten down that inner critic that's really quick to drag you down, then it's going to boost your confidence up. One of the strongest tips is to really believe in yourself and trust. Trust that anything is possible, trust that you can do it, trust that you are worthy, and believing in yourself, believing that you are worthy, believing that you are capable, and believing that you are worth it. Courage is a massive confidence booster. Having the courage to do things differently, to give it a go, to step over that little uncomfortable fear little mountain and really get out there. When you boost up your courage and try new things, do things differently, say no to people, put up some really healthy boundaries, it's really going to support and boost your confidence. And achieve. You can do it. Just get out there and start doing, and you'll then start to reap the benefits and rewards. You're going to have less stress, less chaos going on in your life, sitting with more peace, more calm, and you'll be having a much better quality life. And my final tip is all around community. Having a sense of a community around you is just going to boost you and boost others. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people, sharing your gifts and skills with other people will enhance them. It's going to boost your confidence, and it's a win-win. Everyone enhances their quality of life at the end of the day.